Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to export call logs or communication records related to global entry, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand the process. Step 1. Understand that global entry is a U.S. Customs and Border Protection program for expedited clearance, not a phone or communication service. It doesn't maintain traditional call logs. Step 2. If you need records of your global entry appointments or interview communications, log in to your Trusted Traveler Programs (TTP) account at ttp.cbp.dhs.gov. Step 3. Navigate to your dashboard where you can view your application status, approval information, and appointment history. Step 4. To save appointment records, take screenshots of important information or use your browser's print function to save pages as PDF documents. Step 5. Check your email for all communications from CBP regarding your global entry application, interview, and approval. These emails serve as your official communication records. Step 6. Organize these emails into a dedicated folder in your email client for easy reference and export them if needed. Step 7. If you need official documentation of your global entry status, you can print your membership information from the TTP website or save it as a PDF. Step 8. For any specific records or documentation needs, contact CBP directly through the phone number provided on the TTP website at 1-866-530-4172. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.